In this video, I will explain how you can apply the outline for any text. So first of all, I'm going to add the text. For that, press the T on the keyboard, or you can go to this horizontal text tool. So just select that and then click where you want to add the text. So I'm just going to add hello, and then click on this tick mark. Now I want to move this down here, so press Ctrl and then drag this particular text over here. Okay, so the now text is here, but there is no outline for this text. So let us try to add the white outline, and for that select this particular layer. So when you add the text, the layer is created, as you can see on the right hand side. Select that layer and then click on this effects down here, then click on stroke. Then this layer style dialog opens, and over here you can select this stroke and then color, size, etc. like this. So based upon your requirement you can choose this, and you can also select the position as well, inside, outside, center. Based upon that, look how it is changing. And also the opacity can be changed, and obviously the fill color as well. So if you want to select different fill color for the outline, you can choose that one as well. This, so the white one looks much better, so I'm just going to select white and then click on OK. That's it. That's how you can add the outline for any text in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.